And so, you look out to right to open the 2025 Shuttleworth Military Air Show from the RAF Battle of Britain Memorial Flight, the Supermarine Spitfire.
Why bother? Stick to the danger.
Officer commanding the Battlefront Memorial Flight in the Spitfire 2A. That the only airworthy Spitfire that actually fought during the Battle of Britain. An aircraft that itself is 85 years old this year, and has a busy calendar ahead of it in this latest anniversary year. Currently painted as a number 54 Squadron aircraft that was flown by New Zealander Al Deer during the early stages of the Battle of Britain, and appropriately, given his nationality, named Kiwi 3. It's heading off eventually to return to its base at Coningsby, but that's just the prelude to the rest of today's show. We have two other combat veteran Spitfires, Marks 1 and 5, to come later.